How to send request on Snapchat. Hey guys, let's get started. If you want to add friends or send requests to your friends on Snapchat, there are three ways by which you can achieve this. So first of all, get logged in into your Snapchat account. For that, just tap on it and give in your credentials. The very first option by which you can add friends on Snapchat is via the quick add. For this, tap on this plus icon on the top right, and under the quick add section, you will see different kinds of mutual friends that you have. Just scroll down and find the friend that you want to add, and then to send request, tap on the add button. This will then send a request to the other friend. Likewise, the next option by which you can add a friend is via the search. For this, go to the search bar from the main page, search for the ID or the username of the person you want to send the request to, and this way you're good to go. Also, the third option is via scanning. Snapchat provides you with a QR for your account, so you can simply get the account from the friend to send the request. So these are the three ways by which you can achieve it. That's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.